Hello ladies and gentlemen, and you can see lots and lots of hands-on videos on YouTube about Meizu 16Xs. And with the Snapdragon 675, the scanner in display, and with the low price, you definitely want to know some other analysis about specs and price too. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notification of our future videos. Meizu introduced the new 16Xs smartphone based on the Snapdragon processor. The novelty has received a productive iron filling, a fingerprint scanner which is built into the screen, and a capacious battery with support for fast charging. The smartphone is equipped with 6.2-inch Super AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, which occupies 90.29% of the front panel. Like the previous model of the line, the device did with the cutout for the front camera, the module of which is located in the upper frame. For unlocking, the device corresponds to the sub-screen fingerprint scanner. As far as the other specs are concerned, Meizu 16Xs is based on the 8-core Snapdragon 675 mobile processor with the support of the Android 612 graphic accelerated and 6 GB of RAM. Depending on the modification, the capacity of the built-in storage device is 64 or 128 GB. The capacity of the battery with support for fast charging is 4000 mAh. The triple main camera consists of a main 48 megapixel sensor and two auxiliary cameras with 8 and 5 megapixels. And this allows self-module with the functions of fast unlocking face 16 megapixels. The smartphone did not receive a 3.5mm headphone jack as an alternative. The vendor introduced the EP2C Type-C branded handset with a built-in DAC. Works Meizu 16Xs running Android 9.0 Pie with the Shell Flame OS 7. Meizu 16Xs in black, blue, orange and white colors of the case is already available for pre-order in China for only USD 245 for version 6 GB and 64 GB. And for the modified version of 6 GB and 128 GB costs $289. Headset EP2C Type-C manufacturer estimated at $18. Sales of new items will start on June 10. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for now. We hope you like this video. If you do, please hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge, and until the next video, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.